Open up the door. A fuse box on the side here, so you're gonna come straight up from there, and it's actually on the side of the vehicle. And then to open that, we're simply just gonna come to the bottom here, and you're gonna see there's a little fuse
picture there. We're going to come to the bottom, we're going to pull that forward, and that's just going to pop off. And there's two relays. And when you look in here, you're going to see, when you look at the back of that cover, you're going to see that there's a diagram for what each of these goes to as well. And there's some spare fuses. And then you're going to come down here, and we're going to see the hood relays. We're going to open up that hood, because there are some relays under there. Once you've opened up the hood, you're going to go to the right.
You're going to see a box there. It's right behind the battery. You see a picture of a fuse here. We're going to go under here on the left side, and then we're going to lift up. And you're going to see that you have your fuses and relays in there. And on the bottom of the cover, you will also see the diagram for what these go to. So maybe your horn's not working. One of the cheap and simple fixes you can do is you can open up the fuse and relay box, and you can look at the cover. So here I see this one has a relay for the horn. I can check this relay, and I'm just going to use another non-essential part, which is the windshield washers, and I can make a switch from these two relays. They're the same number, so it's just a simple pull and switch. If all of a sudden I see now that my washers aren't working, I know that that's a bad relay, and my horn starts to work, then that's a good relay. So we can do that simple swap. It's a great inexpensive check. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.